Did you know your Portugal work permit can lead to permanent residency? Let's explore how you can turn a job into a long-term stay. A Portugal work permit lets you live and work legally in Portugal. It's the foundation for many international careers. The work permit is typically for non-EU citizens who have secured a job offer from a Portuguese employer. There are different types of permits for highly qualified workers, seasonal jobs, and general employment roles. Each has its own criteria. To apply, you'll need a valid job contract, proof of qualifications, and health insurance. Submit these to Portuguese authorities. Once your documents are approved by the authorities, you'll get your residence visa and work permit. This opens the door to Portugal. With your permit, you can usually live and work in Portugal for up to 2 years before renewal. Each renewal keeps you on track. After 5 years of legal stay, you can apply for permanent residency. Family reunification means your spouse and kids can join you in Portugal and start their own journey here. The residency application process checks your legal stay, financial stability, and integration into Portuguese society. As a resident, you get access to Portugal's public healthcare system, the Serviço Nacional de Saúde. Your children can attend public schools, learning alongside local students and immersing in Portuguese culture. Permanent residency lets you travel freely through the EU and Schengen area for work, leisure, or study. Residency also offers stability, new friendships, and the chance to build a life in a vibrant Portuguese community. Your work permit is the first step to a future in Portugal. Subscribe to learn more about your immigration options.